Congratulations, boss. Yeah, I kind of meet you radio, so this is great news.
Thank you.
Really, some papa. See, I cry and meet you new, so say the affordable house and contract, and that's how I'm out.
It's my grace.
This is great.
Now, I didn't tell me one of me. Person knows. Hey, you mean me? Wait. What you in shada?
Baby, me.
I think I know you somewhere.
Akwawe, wawie kura. Me hu oni pa wo de, anajo una. Babo je na awia de wonya kwancha woda. Na obokro no. Abada. Yensiawa. Ashu. Ka bomba ya susari so pa bon kwani ya jampen. Pa bon kwani ya jampen. Usika fiano a ode ma me afa. Me caretaker. Me ma wo sha ha no. With my capacity as the caretaker, senior caretaker of this building, mighty building. As a senior caretaker of this mighty building. Offense me cry, me swear the abroad. Wafa. Oruna meme san hire ni. Wafa ya. Yesu nyadai. Wafa. Yesu bere. Modi bro nyani Yesu mamedi ai. Wafa. Modi bro nyani Yesu mamedi ai. Na me kwa ni wafa. Wafa. Yesu. Wafa. Emre na so time. Wafa. Alabas must go. Wafa shame Yesu. Wafa shame sell. Wafa. Wafa. The hour is struck. The man must go. Wafa. The baby you gone around waiting me pipe. Why do I same crane? Wafa. Oh man, we be able to hand over papa je waka. Wafa. No, me free akura. Wafa. But 2 we are take 12 o'clock. Say call na call pay you my. You lazy cocoon. Wafa. Hashtag. Wafa me sell. Wafa. Anti kind of no commercial value. Get away from my face. If I don't know what to say. Rade, it says I was wrong, what shown to me. That unkai densamwa abranti na utuno we are kete 12 o'clock na me kai oh don't worry no wait go get him for me Tobo enye bufu so me pa chop man sisi we what on it tomorrow yeah 2 oh my god hey, can you give me my checkbook and then add some cash to it please how much is this me answer J we come pa share what the be frame My number pen also. What the best frame me? Then I meet you up. Why? The pen. BJ. Oh. Yeah, call the me patch. Boy, boss, we are done finishing this room. The best one.
Yes,
Give it to this man for me. He won't understand. Why? He won't understand. But please, make sure he's okay. Like okay, I mean he's fine.
Boss is Yama. Me your bonny kasi. On to me bonny soka. Na me too we akete ahuchirim. Aya dan na nadia. Umbom. Wasisa kasi. Dia kumisem. Ama me phone. San katre wa passport. Gaman dedina.
Oh, Adam. Da menya sa. Eye.
Oh.
Eye da. We ndi me boni o. Dia wo ye me no. Eno ene shame in crying. Eno ene push me. That was what urged me to go and look for something to do. To me go school. And I'm shame me who page ma. And I'm share man for bebre. And I'm said dino krema obi bia me ni share. Che. This is just one of them. And Eshe, affordable houses here. And go for bebre dey me. And then Yankopon adom. That's all me say. I am blessed. And it's all because of you. What the now agent say? Oh, Pamomi, it's your Boateng. And so now who name say? Oh, Pamomi, at me, she to me, mum, and I says, that was. I mean, sure.
Oh,
What you make out of adversity determines your destiny. Minua or how any mania o kumu eneno, a quanya obe faswa obey your hono. The way you be hunu or how near maniano, and no any bachelor was shebre. Say, or how no at now was in a show so neck can was a become was a crack. Name no show crying, that's all pimco with the one. A bit master some brabo, and more brabo no adane crabbesh. Ohwe apranti abrabo ya etu yi papa etu no hye ne nkuna e ma ne ye na dwen so nipa bia woni ne be hia na esese otimi di no kre na oye adwumaten ne eno ene betumi ede ne aben ne botan ampa ne shebre ene asese. If you will see all your oppressors as your motivators, trust me, you will be happy when people turn you down. Don't practice an eye for an eye. Se obi ye boni bi na se boni no aye wo ye yi. Na se onyankopon antom boni ni nti ama wotimi apem akwanim ama wabrabo asesa. Uhia sankrofo na ye yi wakomam na dawo mase. Because in actual sense no e sankrofo no e na onyankopon enam omoso ama wabrabo no etimi akodru ba bia wadru. Eno so ebeboa ama wonhyira na nyankopon ede ama wo no atena wonsem dada na ma wo so anyi ache. San hunu se eno ebetimi aboa ama sa oni akro no wodwane afre ne bwana ho krakra. Wotimi ede ho adanse akire obi se ene obi ewo haw ene amane mu a de obetumi aye ene se obeboa no na emum no wonse no efise emre ebetimi asesa at any time. If you are treating somebody bad today, understand the law of karma. The table can turn at any given time. Thank you very much for watching Life Morals video. Anytime you are sharing our videos, please put it in your mind that you are not just sharing real life stories, but you are actually inspiring people to change their lives positively. So please share it so that you will help Life Morals change a lot of lives. My name is George. Boateng.